friends. It is day 2, the last and final day of Camelback Studio Tour. Myself and Cyn Silva are here at Studio 13. So we've just opened our doors and we're here till 4 p.m. today. So you have until 4 p.m. today to come and shop our collections. We are doing some price incentives on select works just for today, last day, which is going to be really kind of fun for somebody. Someone's going to luck out big time on some really special original artwork, and I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to show you a few of the pieces that I have here. One of my favorites. These just came back from a show. Those are fabric on wood. Little bit of the chef collection here, which you guys saw yesterday, one of my favorites. And let me see, 2 more favorites that I'm really loving together. We've got Presents 3 and then Stargazer 2. And then of course we've got Aster. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna show you. Actually, that's all I'm going to show you now. If you are not local and you would like to shop the collections, I did put together a special website link with the same pricing incentives. If you would like to shop and you're not here, there will be additional charge for shipping. Again, if you're not local and it needs to be shipped out, but I hope you will come on by if you are local. Or if you'd like to shop, let me know. Just DM me art or link and I will send you that link to shop. And what else? What else can I tell you? I am doing a print giveaway, and then with every fine art purchase, I am doing a fine art print of your choice. So that's really fun. Just something a little extra, a little giftable as well. And I think that's it. So Studio 13, it's camelbackstudios.com. And this is the 16th annual tour. We are one of 16 artist studios that are part of the tour. These are artists in and around the Camelback area in Phoenix, Paradise Valley, and Scottsdale. So it's an incredible opportunity to shop in person with your local arts community, as well as meet the artists, ask any questions you'd like, and learn a little bit more about us. It's really fun. Okay. Oh, Donna, thank you for coming. Donna showed up yesterday for us and we had such a great time. I'll send you a pic of our wonderful dinner last night. Hi, Allison. Hey, DJ. Thanks for joining, you guys. Steve, Madeline, how are you? Madeline, if you're in town, come on by. Frank, I'm not sure where you are located. I'm going to show you one more thing because this has just been such a hit. This is Chef's Kiss, part of the Chef Christopher Gross Chef Collection. Very, very fun. Very, very fun. And this piece I did share my stories. And yes, this piece was in fact shared on CW7 media segment today. Teresa did a really, really cool little feature on that. So we've got all kinds of really fun stuff here. Shopping local artists, learning about local artists. That's more from the chef collection as well, actually, and that's the piece right there. Very fun. All right, so that is it for now, guys. Wanted to just let you know this is the final day, and we are here till 4. We're here till 4. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday. Cheers.